Na upna.
I'm good, so I call Jama.
Guys, I listen to you. Why? I'm here. I can't say you. Okay. Go my the dog of you know.
Ready on ma? Achiro.
Forest and work, and you are already poised for the game this evening. I'm also getting better, and I'm hoping and praying that very soon I'll join you guys and then we all start the pre-season together and get into the season. As you are all aware, today's game is the first game in the history of this Democracy Cup. And again, if you look at the history of Asante Kotoko and Asufo, it tells you that it is very difficult for one of these teams to defeat the other 3 times in a season. This is an opportunity for all of us to make that history, where in a single season we will be able to beat our rivals, Asufo, on 3 consecutive occasions in a single season. All that we have to do today is to stay focused, stay committed, respect each other, and believe that we can do it. We've gone through a whole lot of tactical approaches, tactical strategies. You have been informed about how the opponents are going to come into the game. Just focus on what we can do. Believe in yourself as an individual, believe in yourselves as a group, and believe in yourselves as a team. Make sure that you respect each other on the field, you stay committed, and you stay focused on the field. When someone makes a mistake, no time for complaints, because the time you use to complain, the opponent will take advantage of the 2 of you talking back to each other to create problems for us. When an error is committed, just leave it and ask yourself, what can you do to correct the error? If you have the ball, to stay confident behind the ball and make sure that you show yourself for a pass. Express yourselves. Don't think about the crowd. Don't think about anything. Just think about your ability. What can you do and what can your teammates also do? Believe in the technical staff to believe in the players. The 2 of you must relate very well with each other during the game. Players listen to the coaches, and coaches also listen to the body language of the players, so that you can all take an informed decision. I have no doubt that all of you are more than competent, and you are going to make yourselves proud. You are going to make your families, your loved ones, your relatives, everyone proud. And more importantly, you are going to make Asante Kotoko proud, you are going to make the king proud, and you are going to make Asante man proud. I would like to use this opportunity to wish all of you the very best of luck. And I know by the time the game is over, we will be victorious and make history. Fabulous, the best. Fabulous, the greatest. Fabulous, enjoy the game and express.
We go.
Go to your place.
Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys. That's great.
الله لا اله الا الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الارض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده الا باذنه يعلم ما بين ايديهم وما خلفهم ولا يؤتون بشيء من علمه الا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والارض وسع كرسيه السماوات والارض وسع كرسيه السماوات والارض ولا يهوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم امين.
Anyway, you can't say that was a silver dinner for my friend, 1 month, how many money around 2 years. So, no, me, I say, I said, and so what am I? That was it. That was it. So, I'm in community. What do you mean? Amen.
Yeah.
Fabulous!
The best!
Fabulous!
The greatest!
Fabulous!
This is the time I should be ready to die for Abdurrahman. This is the time I should be ready to die for you. Guys, let's stick together. Let's play this ball hard, strong, and what? Tough. Let's go. And tough.